DJ Ron the Mechanic, back with another video. So I'm inside the Nissan today. Pretty much I decided to finally hook up my steering wheel control interface for my car. So I've been riding around for the longest without the controls being used. So finally I dug in one of my old boxes, which I had a steering wheel control module sitting in there. I tried to use on one of my other cars, and it pretty much didn't work. So this is what I'm using right here. It's PAC SW, I think that's a I or L, whatever, RC-1. As you can see, it's a universal steering wheel control interface, and the settings on there is pretty easy to set. Once you go on a website, it's PAC Audio. Once you go on a site and you type in the make and model year of your car, and it will tell you exactly which steering wheel interface for to use. So in my case, for this one, this is a 2015 Nissan Versa. So this one here is the one that they showed for it, and here is the pin switch settings on here. Now, depending on the radio that you have, your pin switch settings gonna be a little bit different from mine's probably. But I have a Pioneer unit, and these were the settings for it. So far as hooking it up, now this is for the, like I say, this is for this Nissan here. Now, what made it kind of simple enough to connect everything, so pretty much from the unit itself, you have two black wires, a yellow wire, a white wire, and you have a white and black, and of course you have a red. So the red is going to the accessory wire, that which same wire that your radio turns on with. Then you got the yellow wire, which is a constant wire. And now here's the trick here. You kind of like got to look at the two black wires. Now one wire is the steering wheel control ground, and the other ground goes to the chassis ground. And from this connector that I got for my car, so it pretty much has the two grounds split it up, and they have it pretty much wired pretty easily. Well, as far as wired wise, but labeled pretty good. See, like on this one here, see, it got the steering wheel control interface wires. Have a green SW1 and a blue SW2, and the red, of course, is the positive, and the black is ground. And on this tab here, it's a Nissan speed signal. So that would definitely be used if you have a Pioneer radio. If you don't have a Pioneer radio, you have another brand one, then you probably won't have to use that, But for this Pioneer here, the one I'm using, I had to find that connect that speed sense wire in order for the GPS to work. But with this right here, this interface, the connection was pretty much right on point. Matter of fact, I can pull up the diagram for you, show y'all exactly what it looks like. All right, so I don't know if y'all can see that or not, but here's the site right here. It says PAC/audio.com. And see right here, see you got your make, model, year, and you choose the radio, and it'll tell you which product to use. So here's the wiring diagram right here. So all this right here on the left are the wires that came on the interface. So pretty much it was right on point. So you take one black, like I said, connect that to the ground. And the other black one, you're taking that control and you're gonna hook it onto the other one. Pretty much, you're gonna come off the little connector. That's the one you're gonna hook that one to. So that's two different grounds what you're using right there. And then of course the red one, like I said, that's the AC one there, the accessory line. So you hook that up directly to like the one that you're using on the radio. Now, as you see, we got a white analog 1 and you had a white and black analog 2. Oh, it just went blank on me. All right, so with that, the analog 1, that's the plain white one. So on this Nissan, that plain white one, analog 1, you go connect that to the green SW1. So that's that green wire. You go connect it to this green wire right here. That's the plain white one. Now for the other one, the blue SW2, that's where the white and black wire, you connect that to it. All right. And of course, like I said, the yellow goes to the constant. So let me get that back up for y'all. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Once those are connected, then you take your little, where they connect that. All right. So you go take this connector right here, which look like a headphone jack. If you got the Pioneer radio, you just go plug it into the connecting part right here where it has a W/R, which stands for wired remote. You connect it to that. Okay. I don't know if I could turn this around for y'all. Hold on for a minute. Think I can do it. Hopefully I can. I'll just sit it down. All right, so I got it set down. All right. So we got everything connected. So let's give it a shot and see. See if we can make it move a little bit. Okay. Radio on. I got my finger on the control right here on the steering wheel. So let's hit plus and see what it do. There we go, y'all. See? I'm gonna hit the plus again. All right, y'all see that? Worked pretty good on that volume. All right, let me see. Let's try the source button. Let's see if it changed. Okay. All right. Source button changing. Let's hit it again. All right. Okay, cool. See, I don't have my. There's more stuff that I have connected to this radio where it's not connected right now because I was hooking this up. But yeah, as y'all see, that interface working fine. So hey, I got my steering wheel controls working. There we go. Okay, that's my navigation now. So I just hit the phone button on my steering wheel control. Look at that. Boom. Brought up the phone. So, yep. That's working good now. Change that back. Let me see. Let me change this. Put that back on audio source. But there we go, y'all. As you can see, hey, it's working fine. I'm in business. There we go. So, hey, look, if y'all have a Nissan, whatever, hey, I suggest you get one of these PAC interfaces. They're easier to add on compared to this other brand that I tried. This one right here, what is it, Excess or whatever it is, whatever the name is. I tried this one at first. Nah, no luck with my car at all. So, yep, didn't do no good. But this one right here, yes, works perfect, y'all. So that's pretty much it. Hey, I'm in business. So hey, look, this DJ Ron the Mechanic. Hey, I'm about to get off this right here and go and finish cleaning up all these wires and everything that I have all over the place. So just had to show y'all this steering wheel interface control hookup right quick. All right, y'all. Hey, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. So hey, look, I'm out.